So working on a 1964 Comet Catalente. Getting the door handles, inner door handles off here. As you can see, the inner door handle has a clip. Do not use screwdrivers. Screwdrivers will damage your inner door panels. As you can see with these door panels, they're less than fair, right? So we have this tool, as you can see. This slides into the slot and pushes a pin. As you can see here, it slides in and pushes that pin. See that? And then it pops off. Let's see if I can do this easily. So it's going to go with your door handle. You make sure it gets in there nice, like so. Might have to wiggle it a little. Just like that. As you see, pop the pin. Nothing's damaged, nothing's scratched. Some door handles have springs in behind, so watch your eyes.